Hi everybody! Thank you so much for coming to watch my video today. Ay, Dios mío. The last video I uploaded was, oh yeah, I think it was 3 years ago. So I'm 3 years older now. But I have a video that I think you're gonna like because I'm gonna open this box from FabFitFun. It's difficult for me to say it. And it's a seasonal subscription. I'm pretty sure most of you already know. So let's go ahead and open it because I'm excited about it. Okay, so here's my FabFitFun box. It's the fall season box and it's really nice. I had the summer one and I did the video, but I didn't love it, so I didn't put it up. But this one I had to share it because I got it pretty early, I hope. So let me share with you what I got on this box. I don't have any other type of subscription with any box or whatever. I know there's a ton of them out there, but this is the one that fits my pocket, and also it's seasonal, it's not monthly. And the best part is that they have a variety of products. They don't just focus on makeup. Okay, here we go. And let's see what we got. Oh, okay. So there's something I want to share with you. I was so late to the email that they sent. So you can basically go in there and choose certain products. They do give you the time and to go in there and choose what items you want. And I missed that email. I was late. When I noticed what the email was about, I was so late and I was like, you know what? I guess it's good because all the options they had looked so good that I knew I was gonna be having trouble choosing between them. So I'm totally excited to see what they send me because it's gonna be a total surprise. And basically all the products they have for this box I know I'm gonna like and I know I'm gonna use. Here's my second attempt to do this unboxing. Last time I made it just as far to see the coupons that were on top and the little magazine. After that, I had to close it and put it away. And now I'm trying it again. So here we go. Believe it or not, I didn't get to see anything. So here's a magazine that I showed you guys already. Here is just some coupons. The one for HelloFresh, $50 off gift card. And here goes the real deal. So we got an umbrella. Nice. Perfect for today because it's raining. Ugh. We get into cold weather now in New York. And it seems like the other option for this was wireless earbuds that I don't need, so I'm good with the umbrella. I'm happy with this. Next thing is, oh, this is open. No, I did not open this. Oh good, it has a little plastic thing, so it's covered. And it's a Blue and Capri shower gel, the Italian collection. And let's get a little smell of this. Smells like herbs. Good enough. Can't wait to try it. It looks like it should work. I like all this shower gels and fancy shower stuff. We got some Glam Glow mask, face mask. And it's a bubble sheet deep cleanse mask from Hollywood, California. I never have used this brand, so I'm very excited to try it. And beauty blender. I knew this was gonna come in. I didn't know what color I was gonna get. I like pink, so I'm happy with this. Yay! Luna bar. This is salted caramel nut. Perfect. I'm always buying this at my favorite store. They're really good. Whoa, I know. Now I wish I got to choose what I wanted on this one because I don't have a tub. So this is not gonna be used. What else I could have gotten instead of this? Let's see. Oh no. No. I wanted the eye cream. No. And after such a devastating news that I didn't even say the name of it, is a yoga detox bath. It's good, but not for me. Like I said, I don't have a tub. One day. Next thing, these nice towels. You know, multi-purpose, I would think. Pretty nice material, nice color. I knew everybody was gonna get them, so I am happy with this. And let's get to the next one. Ooh, I'm glad about this one. This is Polish and Facial Exfoliant Pink Grapefruit. Nice. So it's a free from artificial flavor. This is free from any skin agent, toxins, and carcinogens. Let's just skip all this. Let's say is a botanical beauty and it's a natural thing, so it's good for you. It's good for your face. And ooh, nice color. I like this color. Nice size. And the other options were Hydra Repair Day Cream and Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser. And I am happy with this one. I use them all the time, so that's good. Nice. Next thing is this French press coffee maker. So on this ones, I knew they had the Alfred teapot and this one. And honestly, I like them both. So I'm happy with this. Especially, it's about to start the cold weather here in New York. Well, I guess everywhere, you know, fall, winter. But here it's freezing and coffee is gonna be good. Cute. Wow, this is bigger than what I thought. I have never seen, touch, have any of this, so it feels really nice. It's cool. I like it. I'll be making some coffee this winter. I'm happy with this. And last but not least, I got something that I guess I like them both. It was either a purse from Vince Camuto, a tote, or brushes. I don't think I need brushes, but I have never tried this brand, so it'll be good to have them and try them. And it's a nice case and 6 brushes inside. I have never touched them before, so let's try. I own some different brands including It Cosmetics, so let's compare. They're as nice. You know, I wish that the brushes says what they are for, because for people that are not experts like me are a little confused. I don't know if this is for a blush or a face powder. I guess either way. And this, let's see. This one, I guess for contour? Maybe. Or blush. Or highlighter. Not sure. Maybe I would say more for contour and blush. Or highlighter. I don't No, I use them for both. I mean for the three things. And then this one is, it's for the eyes. I know it's for the eyes. Maybe concealer? No, that's too thick. It's just for the eyes. Some maybe crease brush. And this one, I know this is a blending brush. Oh, I like it. Let's see this other one. I don't know. What is this for? Another crease brush? Maybe. Crease. And I know this is eyeliner. Eyeliner brush. Cool. Okay. And it has, I like that it has extra 2 spots for other brushes that you might want to carry. Okay, I am very happy with this. I could have had better use for that purse, but like I said, I was late on my email. I did not get to choose. I think I could have chosen between these two. Yeah. Oh well, next time will be. Overall, I'm really happy with everything I got on my box this season. I can't wait to see what they got for winter for us, and I'm really happy that I only pay $50. I mean $49.99 quarterly for this box, and I get all this stuff. I mean, this by itself is worth $20. So I am really happy with it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Have a good day.